Mamata Banerjee kjat top haki Lum Garo kaba palat sanpau hajar tam ki Paidbah pdiang burom yaka madan Dilma Apal Mendipathar Not Garo Hills District khat tarik Kyllalyngkot. Jingkren Paidbah kani kathan Mamata Banerjee Khroh Paidbah na Lum Garo ban phai khmat seng All IndiaTrinamook Congress ban kiar na seng National People's Party bat seng Bharatiya Janata Party kiba iohi jingtrei kam jongki kat phai iohi jingbamla jongki ban wanra jingmentoi Paidbah Jylla kalong Jit yaka All IndiaTrinamook Congress bikin nongelam bat ki paradok parasnam jangpi kin sinsyar bat kin pet yaka bha kamiap jangpi kumba kilong minta la sinsyar da ki beri bom tip be AAP na Delhi bat na goti. Kalau ongru ba shipor ki nongelam kaseng BJP ki kenjem ye ki Paidbah ka West Bengal da ka ba ki penting lai paujat. Henry ki Paidbah ka West Bengal ki lebek krat ye ki lai lom lai wa. Pin urlong ye kani ke jingja hang ni hameglaya ru kala kentu.
My back is operated, my belly is operated, my full body is choked, but I never bow down my life to any this type of naughty peoples or the dirty peoples. I love politics because politics is not my profession, it is my passion. I thought that I should serve the people through political platform. Nowadays, if there is any fire, we help from the government. If there is any accident, we give help from the government. If there is any death, we give the money to the family. Even you will be happy to know my mother's sisters, the women folks and the brothers, all even farmers. We give all the farmers 10,000 rupees every year, just free. We give free ration to all the people. It is not only few people. Out of 10 crore people, 9.5 crore people are getting free ration.